Bonjour. October 21 and we are at Vaison-la-Romaine. First day here. We went to 3 villages this morning to find a market where we can work in Saturday morning, and apparently one of the market we found was only for farmers, so we could not sell our stuff in the farmers market. We decided to just take a day off in this morning to walk around. But you know what, guys, before we get here in Vaison-la-Romaine, last night was a surprise. We have the entire morning free time before we go and work this afternoon or tonight, so I have to tell you a story of what happened last night. After we left Avignon, we drive all the way here at Vaison-la-Romaine, about 1 hour from Avignon, and then we ran out of water. We need to fill in our water inside the camping car. So we visited some camping stations like 3 stars and 4 stars, and apparently the guy at the reception told us that yes, we can just fill in our water for free. It's right there outside. Bunch, he already started filling up the water in the camping car, and there were a security guard wearing a green vest told us that you can only fill in your water if you camp here overnight for €8. So by then we did not decide if we come in overnight because we don't know yet where we're going to work the following morning, and so we decided not to camp in overnight and drive around again. They were closed at 8 o'clock. They were closed. There were nobody, so we were driving. We continued driving, and suddenly we drive by to Le Carpe Diem. I don't know if I said it right. I'm sorry if I said it wrong. Le Carpe Diem Camp Fun. It's a water fun park. So definitely they have a lot of water in it. So let's go in and let's go and see if we can just fill in our camping car and pay for a few euros. So we went inside, and Benjamin, it was like 8:45. There were 3 girls. They were already closed the shutters and the windows, and they said, go ahead, go inside, you can just fill in your camping car for free. Oh my god, girls, thank you so much. You were an angel. Thank you so much for Camp Fun, Le Carpe Diem. Thank you. Je vous remercie. You saved us for our problem last night. I thank you guys so much for your kindness. It's priceless. Look around if I can get the fridge magnet to add to my collection. Bonjour, madame. Merci. Merci. I went back to the camping car. I thought Taya's already awake, so I went back to see them, and they're not there anymore. They went out already and visit the place. So now I have to find them. I have to meet them like at the Universal Cafe. Like I know the village, like I know this very well. So help me find them. Où se trouve le Universal Café?
Sur la place, vous allez par là.
Ici? Oui.
Vous prenez à droite et vous longez là.
Oui.
Vous regardez, c'est le 3e.
3e, d'accord. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. So I just asked one guy where's the Universal Cafe, and he was just too precise. That's one thing I like about the French people. They are so precise when they give instructions. When they give instructions, especially the directions, it's like go straight, turn left, turn right, and then go straight again, and go straight again, and turn right, turn left. And at your first corner, I was like, before I can catch all the information, I already forgot where is it. They're so precise with their directions. Bonjour. Oui, je parle français aussi. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Je fais la vlog, vidéo pour aux Philippines, pour mes amis, pour moi. Tu dis quelque chose? Bonjour.
Ah, bonjour.
Bonjour aux Philippines.
Bonjour aux Philippines et aux Philippines.
Merci, au revoir, bonne journée. Mais je cherchais le Universal Café en fait.
C'est là.
C'est ça?
Non, vous allez
Oui,
là.
oui,
1,
oui.
2, 3, le 4e.
Ah d'accord, allez. Ben, à tout de suite, merci beaucoup. Au revoir. I just asked a second guy. And I just asked a second guy where is the Universal Cafe. And again, so precise. I don't know where is it. Universal Cafe. This is not the one. This is not the one.
Attention, attention, réservez-vous, public.
There they are, baby. I just found them. There they are. Coco. We have organic bread here that we're giving to the fish.